Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use L-Carnitine supplement. L-Carnitine is a naturally occurring amino acid derivative that plays a vital role in your body's energy production. It helps transport fatty acids into the mitochondria of your cells, where they are burned for fuel. This process is essential for various bodily functions, especially during exercise. Understanding its basic function is the first step to effective supplementation. For optimal results, a common daily dosage of L-Carnitine ranges from 500 milligrams to 2,000 milligrams. It's generally recommended to take your supplement with a meal, particularly one that includes carbohydrates, as this can enhance absorption. Consistency is key. Taking it regularly, each day is more beneficial than focusing on precise timing around workouts. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. L-Carnitine is often used to support exercise performance, potentially enhancing endurance and aiding in post-workout recovery. It may also play a role in fat metabolism, making it a popular choice for those focused on weight management. While generally safe, some individuals might experience mild digestive upset with very high doses. Always start with a lower dose to assess your tolerance. There are different forms of L-Carnitine, each with unique benefits. L-Carnitine L-tartrate is often favored for athletic performance and recovery, while acetyl L-carnitine is known for its potential cognitive benefits and brain support. Consider combining L-Carnitine with omega-3 fatty acids for enhanced effects. Remember to check the description below for links to other great deals and products, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.